crawling along, almost approaching Aurora Road now is where you might start to slow down with some plow ops on the northbound 400. It looks like the stalled truck approaching Innisfil Beach Road might be clear away, but we have delays north of 89 up to about Mapleview. Southbound on and off slowdowns from Davis Drive towards 16th Avenue on the 404, and same with the 400 southbound on and off from south of 89 to Major Mac. Leon's Hold the Payments event is on now. Right now, pay nothing until 2025 with no money down and no interest OAC. Visit leons.ca for details. With the forecast, Jill Taylor.
All that early morning snow is going to melt. Milder air moving on in, and a little bit of clearing too. Right now, rather misty, cloudy though. 1 degree at Pearson, 3 at City News. The guaranteed high 5.
City News time 7:33.
GPA drivers who procrastinated on installing winter tires and digging the snow brush out of the garage have been caught with their snow pants down, so to speak. Several centimeters of heavy wet snow fell overnight, leaving vehicles covered and slowing down the early morning drive.
680's Kevin Meisner's talking to commuters downtown about their drive-in and joins us live. Kevin.
Yeah, Paul, I'm going to admit something here. I was a bit surprised when I stepped outside this morning. I wasn't paying attention to Jill's forecast, and then I opened the door and saw the car was completely covered, and I thought, oh, no. Now, Stephanie just got off the DVP here at Richmond, and after a drive-in from Bowmanville, and says she saw about 4 centimeters of that heavy, wet snow blanketing just about everything.
I was not happy. I knew it was going to be a slow drive. Yeah, definitely had to clean off the car. It's just a winter wonderland outside.
Did you even have a snow brush in the car?
I did. I had to dig it out of my trunk, though.
And Joey came in from Markham this morning, says the first real snowfall should not catch us off guard, especially on December the 7th, but still, it does.
Yeah, like you live in a city where you expect it, and it's around us, and then you just, even up just north of us in Barrie, and then next thing you know, it hits us, and you don't know how to react.
So here's the situation. The snow here downtown in Toronto is already melting, but it'll likely still stick around a bit longer elsewhere in the GTA. Drivers telling me the side streets are pretty much slushy. Main roads are wet with slushy spots. Watch out for those large puddles as well. The commute certainly not ideal this morning. Near Richmond in the DVP, Kevin Meisner, City News.
City News time 7:35. Happening now, police and fire crews are responding to a water main break and natural gas leak in Etobicoke. It happened at Bloor and Shaver Avenue west of Kipling around 7 o'clock this morning. Enbridge Gas is also on scene, and there are road closures in the area.
You're listening to City News 680. Hanukkah begins tonight at sundown, and many Jews say it'll be a challenge to be joyful this year as the Israeli